Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing you another tool haul. I went to Home Depot, checked out some of their deals before Black Friday, which is next week, and I also went to Harbor Freight, took advantage of the coupons that were online and through the app. So let's get into this. Alright, so first up, I picked up the tubing bender. I did pick up the smaller version, a couple weeks back, but this one is a range from 1/4 to 5/16 to 3/8. This was originally $7.49. Used the 30% off, which brought it to $5.25. It's definitely a lot larger than the other one, but seems decently well made. Got some knurling on the handle. For $5, yeah. And it says limited lifetime warranty. So. And next up, what else did I get? Picked up some cutting oil. This was $8.79. Got it for $6.16. Picked up 2 of their spring clamps. These are the 2-inch. I don't have any of these, but definitely come in handy. These were originally $2.50 a piece. Got them for $1.74. Not bad. It's got little rubber moldings on them on the handle. Not bad. Picked up their U-clip assortment, and taking the bumper off the Cadillac and the under tray. There's a lot of these U-clips that are kind of they're old and just kind of getting rusted out. They're all working right now, but eventually, if I keep taking them off, I'll replace them with these. So I figure it's nice to have. Comes with the screws as well. This was $5.99. Got it for $4.19. Had that new 30% off coupon for this past weekend. Took 30 off 9 items instead of 5, so that was nice. Next up is the hose clamp assortment. This is the larger variety. I do have the smaller set as well, but this goes up to 1/2 inch, and the smallest one is 1.5. This one has an assortment of 1, 1.25, 1 3/4, and 2-inch, and then there's other ones, 2.5s, 3, 3.5s, and 4. Yeah, I was working on my brother's Acura TL yesterday, and we broke the clamps on his air intake, so I used some of the larger ones that I had. Those screws on those intakes, they were so brittle and small, they just snapped right off. But I figured I'd pick those up because I used the last of my larger ones on that. And for this weekend, they also have a 15% off coupon off any hand tool at Harbor Freight. But I didn't use it because the 20% off worked on this. I picked up the 1/2 inch metric 12-point chromes. Most of my sockets are 6-point, but it's nice to have 12s as well. Definitely made sure these were decent quality. These were $12.99. Got them for $10.39 with the 20 off. It doesn't skip any sizes from 10 to 19. So definitely a nice little set. I was looking at the Quinn, but the Quinn's like $3 or $4 more, which I'm pretty sure is the same thing as this, except it has the color differentiation. However you say that. It's red and blue to differentiate metric and standard. So pretty sure the same exact sockets. And next up, I picked up the rotary rasps. I don't do too much of the deburring and all that, so I don't expect too much from Warrior. But these are nice to have just in case I need it. And it's a 10-piece. They do have a 5-piece as well, which is like $2 cheaper. But I figure just picked up the 10-piece. This was originally $7.39. Got it for $5.17. It says that it's high carbon steel treated, but 1/4 inch shank on it. So, not too bad. And of course I picked up a little mini LED flashlight as my free item. From Home Depot, I got this for my father. I kind of got him on the Ryobi line, and he recently got some drills and drill bits, so I don't think he has any sets of this or anything like this with the shank on it and for the impact and all that, but decent little set, 50-piece. This was $7.97 for 50 pieces, so that's definitely not too bad. And they're impact rated. It's got socket adapters as well. It's got magnetized accessories, got the star bits, Phillips flats, all that. And it's got a couple nut drivers. They had another one which was a 70-piece for like $5 more, which was also a good deal, but it had things in it that you didn't really need. It was just to fill it up, I guess, but it's got the nice case on it as well. Ryobi was definitely nice for the DIY, for the home. So that'll be a little gift for him. And for myself, I saw this was a new item. Like I need any more lights, but I am a sucker for some lights. I do like them. It's got 3 modes on it. It's got a high, a low. It's got a flashlight on the bottom, which is also magnetized, and it also has a UV light at the end of the light. It takes 3 AAAs, and it says that it's 350 lumens. So definitely check that out, see how bright it is. A couple weeks ago, I bought a Coast light, which is this right here. It's definitely different. I forgot how many lumens. I want to say like 400 or something like that. But yeah, magnetized. And it's got the magnet. You can position it how you like. and also the head swivels, and it's got the zoom of the beam. Definitely a nice little light. I forgot how much I got it for, but it definitely wasn't too much. I think it was probably around 10 bucks at Home Depot. Definitely not too bad. Definitely a nice little light. Let's check out this Defiant flashlight. Alright, so I got it opened. Looks like it's got two different positions of swivels, points of swivel, and then it swivels this way as well. There's some batteries in it. Definitely is nice and bright. There's the low. Let's see if I get better lighting over here. There's the UV, which is pretty bright. It's got a lot of surface area. And then there's the flashlight. That's on high, low. The button feels good as well. You don't have to press it all too hard. Yeah, definitely a nice light. I don't know if I mentioned, but that was only $12.88, which I definitely think is a good buy for $12.88. See how well the magnet sticks. Definitely works. Not too bad. I definitely like it. But yeah, that was my 2 haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, later.